Alright, I'm going to experiment a little bit today. I got me some chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs. And I really don't have nothing to use for breading on it, so I'm going to try to experiment. I got a pouch of this Great Value pork seasoned coating mix. I'm going to try that. And I'm also going to try some other stuff and then compare them. Okay, let me get things ready. Now I'm going to toss it in my air fryer and cook it for a while and see how it turns out. Okay, I believe that's finished cooking. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. That's pretty good crust on it. I'm going to see if I can That's hot. I'm going to let it cool for a minute. I used my fork to pull that apart a little bit. Now I'm going to give it a taste and see what it tastes like. Man, that crust is really good and crusty. And it has a very good flavor. I like this. Alright, let me go ahead and sit down and eat it. And I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright, now we're going to try using Jiffy corn muffin mix as breading. Now I have no milk and no eggs, so I'm going to put it on there dry. Okay, now I'm dipping it in the cornmeal mix. The muffin mix. It's not attaching itself as good as I thought it might. I'm going to take it out and put it on the plate over here and go throw it in the air fryer. Alright, there it is in the air fryer. Now let's cook it for a bit. My hand's wet, I can't hardly turn that. Alright, I'm getting this Jiffy corn muffin one out of the air fryer now. It ended up looking a lot like fish. I just broke it up a little bit with my fork. Now I'm going to see what it tastes like. That's what the bottom of it looks like. Okay, that really ain't bad either. I'll sit over here and eat the rest of it. Well, now I'm going to try some Millville buttermilk pancake mix. I think this used to be Aunt Jemima. Get it covered real good. I might have to put down the camera so I use my other hand too. Okay, now here it goes into the air fryer. And we'll let it cook for a while. Okay, now we're taking a look at what I put the pancake mix on. I tell you, that don't look bad. I just used my fork to break this one up a little bit too. Now I'm gonna give it a try. That ain't bad. Well, I'll go ready to eat the rest of it. Now I'm just grabbing some crap out of my pantry to see what might work. And what we got here is a mixture of Parmesan cheese and nutritional yeast flakes. And I never had nutritional yeast a couple of years ago, but they're pretty good. So I got that covered pretty good. Now let's go hit the air fryer. Okay, now let's take it and toss it in the air fryer. And see what happens with it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Well, that actually looks good. Well, let me cut it up, then I'll taste it. Alright, just cut up a little bit with my fork. Now let me taste a little bit of it, but it does look good. Not as good as I hoped it'd be. I think my dog would love it. Alright, what I tried out today was a Great Value pork seasoned coating mix, the Jiffy corn muffin mix, and the Millville buttermilk pancake mix. I also tried some nutritional yeast mixed with Parmesan cheese. And I tell you that the nutritional yeast Parmesan cheese mixture wasn't worth eating. But this Great Value deal was really good. Okay? That's not the chicken, that's not the seasoned coating mix for chicken. It's a seasoned coating mix for pork. It was really good. The Jiffy corn muffin mix did a lot better job on what I thought it'd do. I enjoyed it. And the buttermilk was a thinner coating. Pancake mix, was a thinner coating, but it also was good. I would tell you that any one of these three would be a decent coating for your chicken in a pinch. Okay? None of them are real, chicken batters, but they all are acceptable. Alright, have a great day.